Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach, committed to helping million entrepreneurs achieve their dreams and ambitions faster than ever thought possible. Today we are diving into a topic that is revolutionizing the way we think about business and manufacturing, industrial automation. In a business landscape that is changing at unprecedented pace, automation is not just manufacturing concern, it's a business concern. If you want to compete effectively, increase your operational efficiency and elevate your business to the next level, understanding the ins and outs of industrial automation is crucial. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore everything from basic types of automation to the state-of-the-art technologies powering it, like AI and IoT. We will also look at real-world case studies, discuss risks and benefits, as even delve into future trends that you should keep eye on. So if you're an entrepreneur, business leader, or anyone interested in harnessing the transformation power of industrial automation to benefit your business, this video is for you. Let's get started.
1. Introduction to Industrial Automation, a game changer for manufacturing. Industrial automation has emerged as a crucial element in modern manufacturing, serving as a game changer in efficiency, scalability, and competitive edge. By automating repetitive and complex tasks, businesses can significantly reduce human error and accelerate production, thereby staying ahead of market demands. 2. The evolution of industrial automation. From assembly lines to robotics. The journey of industrial automation has been transformative, beginning with simple assembly lines in the early 20th century and evolving into complex robotics and AI-driven systems today. This evolution has empowered businesses to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and quality, completely redefining the manufacturing landscape. 3. Types of industrial automation. Fixed, programmable, and flexible systems. Industrial automation comes in various forms, each with its own set of applications and benefits. Fixed automation is often used in mass production, where the tasks are repetitive. Programmable automation is ideal for batch production, while flexible automation systems adapt to changing product designs, providing a versatile solution for companies with diverse product ranges. 4. Key technologies powering industrial automation: IoT, AI, and big data. Modern technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data are pushing the boundaries of what industrial automation can achieve. These technologies allow for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and even autonomous decision-making, thereby amplifying the capabilities of automated systems. 5. Benefits of industrial automation: efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness. The advantages of industrial automation are multifold, offering significant improvements in efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness. Automated systems operate continuously, without fatigue, and are far less prone to error compared to human workers, resulting in higher quality output. Moreover, automation often pays for itself in the long run through reduced operational costs. 6. Risks and challenges: job loss, security, and initial costs. Despite its advantages, industrial automation presents a series of risks and challenges. The potential for job loss is a significant societal concern, along with questions about data security in an increasingly connected world. Furthermore, the initial cost of implementing automation can be high, requiring a comprehensive cost-benefit analysis. 7. Case studies: successful implementation of industrial automation. Several companies serve as compelling case studies for successful automation implementation, showcasing how these systems can revolutionize operations. Whether it's automakers streamlining their assembly lines or food processing companies achieving stringent quality standards, real-world examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of industrial automation. 8. Regulatory framework, compliance and standards in industrial automation. Adherence to regulatory frameworks and standards is essential when implementing industrial automation. These guidelines ensure that companies maintain safety and quality while also providing a standardized approach to design and manufacturing. Compliance is not just a legal requirement but also a mark of organizational responsibility and reliability. 9. The future of industrial automation, trends to watch. The future of industrial automation promises even more revolutionary changes, thanks to emerging trends like edge computing, augmented reality, and adaptive manufacturing. These technologies aim to make automated systems smarter, more efficient, and more integrated with other business functions, offering a glimpse into a truly automated future. Utilizing industrial automation for such optimization can be a key strategy, allowing businesses to refine their operations continually. From Six Sigma to lean manufacturing methodologies, various strategies can help companies achieve process excellence. If you found this guide helpful and want to stay updated on the latest trends and insights in industrial automation, make sure to hit the subscribe button below.